Crypto is on discount, and now I have a lot of PEIPEI. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5, staying alive in Dubai. Hope you're doing well, man. Got some news for you, right? Gonna be talking about what I did recently and how heavy I went in on a meme coin. Also, we're going to be talking about other meme coins that I'm also supporting at the end of the show, right? And we'll be talking about that, talking about ORC and PEON coins. So just hold off for that. And also doing some technical analysis before I actually go into the ORC and PEON coin news. All right, with that said, if you're interested in trading, you could do so at bybit.davincej15.com. Links are in the description below. Yes, WAFFLE coin is still holding strong. We're going to build this thing up. My team is working really hard, and yeah, things are happening. Applications are being built to support not just, providing useful tools for waffles, but also for the whole community. So I look forward to all the work that is being done here, and I look forward to your support. Okay, I saw this and I was thinking, I got to take the risk. I got to do it. And so, yeah, I've gone full PEIPEI, not half PEIPEI, full PEIPEI. And I'm seriously like in on this thing to see what happens. I bought a lot of PEIPEI, right? And I put it in because I really think this is going to $1 billion market cap. And that's why I'm going to hold it. And we're going to talk about more about that in the future, right? So yeah, I'm going full PEIPEI. Full PEIPEI. You never go full PEIPEI, but I'm going full PEIPEI. All right, with that said, the city project 8 rate cuts in a row starting in September. That means the Citigroup, basically. Right. So the what's it called? The Fed's going to start reducing rates. Here's a bunch of news that some of it we're going to talk about, others we're not. And yeah, we're also going to talk about the key one is the dark side of memes, right, as well. And yeah, let's go over some of these things, right? Bank executives steal $250,000 from customers directly accessing bank accounts to fund his lifestyle, U.S. Department of Justice. Yeah, well, that's what banks do. I mean, they can't legally. Actually, I'm surprised. You can't tell whether or not that's the case, right? Because if the person just specifically transferred from one account to another, that's stealing. But if they just took the money that was there and paid themselves more, that's not. I want you to see the difference there, right? So even though that money that you deposit in the bank account, they can say, well, we're going to use this to fund our lifestyle by giving ourselves a raise. That's not stealing, right? But if they actually did, okay, minus from your account to my account, that is stealing. It's like, what? So this guy was actually probably an idiot that's running at the bank. So I don't know. Is Bitcoin undervalued now? Yes. Industry experts decodes the market state. Yes, it is undervalued. Bitcoin, right? It will forever be undervalued, right? So long as it's not fully money. It's early stages. Once it's money, it's too late. It's fair value. Elon Musk foresees U.S. bankruptcy amid government federal budget risks. Really? Elon, throughout the history of mankind, there's never been a government that's gone bankrupt. Ever. Why would you think that? In fact, the opposite is true. Every single government has gone bankrupt, and every single government in the future will go bankrupt. Why? It's because people are greedy, and government officials who do not have special powers other than anybody else, they will actually, work towards bettering themselves and not their country when they get into power, right? Because power corrupts, and absolute power corrupts absolutely 100% of the time without exception. The dark side of memes, rug pulls, FOMO, and Godfather effect. Yes, I've seen it. Yes, the meme battle didn't go as planned. We'll be talking about that in the future. It went a little bit awry. And we'll talk about why and how to rectify it going forward and what things to go. But with that said, right, yes, meme coins are very dangerous, right, in this area. So you got to be careful which meme coin that you support. You can end up losing a lot of money, and things can go awry, right, very quickly. So watch out for rug pulls and stuff, scams, right, because there's a lot of them going on. And basically, only a few meme coins actually make it out of the mud. And so let's just see which ones. You have to find the ones that do. And they will actually do extremely well, because you saw what some of these can do, right? Okay, as you can see here, I have gone full PEIPEI, right? And we'll talk more about that. And I'm going to talk more about that in an Instagram video. So follow me on Instagram, actually. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is chopping, and it's chopping itself all the way down. On the daily, this is going to be a brutal chop, but looks like we might have found support at the $53,200 level. Going further in, right? Yes, we see a little bit of, Wing action right here. I don't like this W here, but this one, right? If we go to the hourly, we can see boom, 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 boom. This could turn into something positive and move Bitcoin back up above the 60K. So that would be a positive sense right back up here. Unfortunately, you see that target is right where this breakdown W started on the 63. So I don't know. That might be another dead cat bounce to retest the lower 53 again. All right, with that said, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has solidly hit its bottom too. So that means it's going to turn around as well. We can see the same kind of patterning action here happening. So we could assume the same thing with Ethereum coming right. Wow, Jesus, mimic. It's a mimic right back up to the $3,352 mark. Alrighty, Shiba, oof. Yeah, well, at least it's coming back, but it hasn't even broken its 13-day moving average, which is not good. 13 EMA moving average, actually. Not good. It broke a little bit and it failed again. So let's just see if it can break above that and turn this thing into a couple of green candles right up to its previous support, which is the $2,100 mark. Okay, let's talk about ORC and PEON. Yes, I was looking forward to seeing you guys do something a little bit more on the fun side, more on the light side. Yes, it turned into a little bit of a toxic thing where you guys started destroying each other's coin, and that's got to stop, of course, right? I wanted to see stuff like this, right? I want to see like just memes like this, where this was funny. This was good, right? But actually, going after each other is just not working out, right? So instead, right, I wanted to see the toxicity stop. And if you guys work towards building the project and so forth over the next 30 days, I will invest 100K on both sides, right? So I will also, even create a specific video every week or something like that, specifically to your growth. So let's see that happen, right? I want to see first you guys stop the war, start building, start producing, and start doing, just fun stuff like this is fine, but nothing, toxic. Let's just build each other up instead of tearing each other down. So the competition is over. We're not going to, give the other side the tokens. We're going to just burn both sides of tokens eventually sometime down the line. So yeah, the competition is over. No more competition. Just we're working together to build each other up. All right. With that said, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.